For generations, we've been told that gardening means endless digging, tilling and backbreaking work. But much of this effort is unnecessary and can even harm your soil. The real mistake? Treating soil as an empty pot to be filled rather than a living ecosystem. Every time we dig, we disrupt the delicate underground networks that support plant health. This constant disturbance creates more work for us, making soil less fertile and more dependent on our intervention. The secret is simple. Step back, disturb less, and let nature build healthy soil for you. It's time to put down the spade and become a gentle guardian of the world beneath our feet. Think of your soil as a bustling underground city, alive with microbes, fungi and earthworms. These organisms break down organic matter, build structure and create a thriving environment for roots. Plant roots and fungi form partnerships, exchanging nutrients and building a web of life. Digging destroys these connections, forcing the soil to start over and making your job harder. A no-dig approach lets this underground city flourish, with earthworms and fungi doing the heavy lifting. The result? Crumbly, fertile soil that supports healthy plants. No spade required. Intelligent gardening means working with nature, not against it. Let the soil community do what it does best. So, what does this look like in practice? Stop digging in compost. Spread it on top instead. Just as leaves fall in a forest, a surface layer of compost feeds soil life from above. Worms and microbes pull nutrients down, build in fertility right where roots need it. Mulching protects soil from sun, rain and weeds, keeping it moist and full of life. Starting a new bed? Lay down cardboard, cover with compost and let nature do the rest. Gardening becomes easier, less strenuous and more productive. Let the soil work for you. Once you stop digging and start mulching, your job is to feed the soil life, not just the plants. Compost is their main food, but a simple molasses and water mix can boost microbial activity. Just dissolve a tablespoon of molasses in water and pour it on your soil. This wakes up microbes, helping them break down organic matter and release nutrients. The same principles work in containers. Use compost, mulch the surface, and occasionally add molasses water. Over time, your soil becomes self-sustaining, with fewer weeds, healthier plants, and less work for you. Gardening shifts from heavy labour to gentle nurturing and harvesting. This approach may seem too easy, but nature thrives without our constant intervention. By mimicking forests and meadows, we create resilient, low-maintenance gardens. Healthy soil stores carbon, conserves water, and resists pests and disease. You'll need less water, fertilizer, and effort, because you're fostering a balanced ecosystem. Trust the worms, fungi, and microbes to do their jobs. Try the no-dig method on one bed cardboard, compost plant, and a little molasses tea. Watch your garden flourish with less work and more joy. Discover the satisfaction of working with nature and unlock the secret to an abundant, effortless garden.